Swagbucks has paid users over $900 million in rewards, while KashKick focuses on a smaller set of higher-value offers. That difference changes how fast you earn and how much work it takes. By the end of this, you'll know which platform pays more depending on how you earn, how often you cash out, and how much time you're willing to spend. Here's the short answer. Swagbucks usually pays more overall because it has more earning categories. KashKick can feel faster if you focus only on high-paying offers. Start with how they work. KashKick keeps it simple. Most of the platform is built around surveys, app trials, and game-based offers. You complete tasks, hit milestones, and get paid. Swagbucks spreads your earning across more categories. Surveys, shopping cashback, watching videos, web searches, game offers, and referral bonuses all live in one place. That changes your earning strategy. If you like focusing on one task at a time, KashKick is easier to manage. If you want to stack multiple earning methods in the same day, Swagbucks gives you more options. Now the money side. KashKick usually has fewer offers, but some pay more because they're tied to longer app installs or harder milestones. Swagbucks has more lower-paying tasks, but the volume is much higher. That means you can keep earning even when one category dries up. That's where Swagbucks usually pulls ahead. The cash-out system matters too. KashKick mainly pays through PayPal. That keeps things clean. Swagbucks gives you gift cards, PayPal, and shopping rewards, so the payout flexibility is wider. That matters if you want faster access or better gift card deals. Here's where KashKick can win. If you only care about bigger offers and don't want to click through dozens of small tasks, KashKick saves time. Swagbucks can feel slower because many small rewards need to stack before they feel worth it. So which pays more? Swagbucks usually wins if you use multiple earning methods every day. KashKick can win if you're selective and only chase the top offers. Quick recap. Swagbucks wins for total earning potential and offer variety. KashKick wins for simplicity and higher focus offers. Both depend on your location and available promotions. Practical next step. Test both for 1 week and track earnings per hour, not total earnings. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more app comparisons.